Hello and welcome everyone. I am Abhishek Dash. I am a vocational trainer of Gadong High School of Electronics. My training provider is Orion Edutech Private Limited. Health is very important for everyone. In electrical works, sometimes accident happens. That's why today we will discuss about electrical rescue techniques. Okay, let's begin. First, approaching the accident place. Never rush into an accident situation. Call 108 as soon as possible. Get the aid of trained electrical personnel if possible. Next, cautiously approach the accidental place. Now we have to examine the accident place. In this process, the steps are: visually examine victims to determine if they are in contact with energized conductors, metal surfaces, objects near the victim, or the earth itself may be energized. Next, do not touch the victim or conductive surfaces while they are energized as shown below in the figure. Else, you may become a victim if you touch an energized victim or conductive surfaces. The last point is de-energize electrical circuits if it all possible as shown below in the figure. In last point we talked about de-energize. Now what are the methods of de-energize? An extension or power cord probably powers portable electrical equipment. Unplug portable electrical equipment to remove power as shown in the figure. Next point, de-energize fixed electrical equipment by using circuit breaker or by disconnecting the device as shown. Now we will discuss about hazards and solutions. Following points illustrate the cause of hazards. Be alert for hazards such as stored energy, heated surfaces, and fire. Technician or other person must be more cautious if the power source cannot be de-energized. Ensure that hands and feet are dry. Wear protective equipment such as protective gloves, rubber shoes, etc. Stand on a clean dry surface. Use insulating material to remove a victim from the conductor as shown in figure. If you work in high voltage system, then high voltage rescue system is very important. In this system, working with voltage requires special training for rescue is shown in below. Protective equipment such as high voltage gloves and overshoes must be used shown in figure. And lastly, we have to use highly insulated tools. Now insulated tools. Insulated tools are lifesaver. These tools must have high voltage rating. Use wooden stick to remove a victim from energized conductors. In some cases, non-conductive rope or cord may be used to remove a victim from a conductor. If we have to rescue the victim, what are the steps we should follow? First, we should stand on a dry rubber mat or other insulating material if possible. Second, we do not touch the victim or conductive material near the victim until power is off. Third, once power is off, examine the victim to determine if they should be moved. Give first aid. First aid is a primary stage of treatment, so we have to gather some knowledge of first aid. Let's know the steps of first aid. A victim may require CPR or artificial respiration. Second, if the victim is breathing and has a heartbeat, give first aid for injuries and treat for shock. Third, ensure the victim get medical care as soon as possible. Fourth, provide medical personnel with information on voltage level, shock duration, and entry or exit points. The treating or attending physician must have detailed specific information to properly diagnose and care for the victim. And these are all about electrical rescue techniques. Hope you will like the video, and thanks for watching.